What the fuck?
Hello Kai.
Oh god!
Here is your payment also.
Thank you for the tippy.
There are 30-40 Komodo dragons outside my home and they refuse to leave. Could you speak dragon to them and tell them to go home? They are totally real and not hallucinations.
Oh shit, okay, you got dragons outside your house and you need me to talk in dragon language to make them go away? Is this what a therapist does when their patients are delusional? Do they tell like the hallucinations, hey, go away? I feel like that's something that would I feel like that's something that would happen. Like you just gotta pretend they're real, that way like the other person can have like a can feel better. Go away. Okay, guys. I'm gonna speak dragon language and I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna tell them to go away in dragon language, right? Alright.
Stop.
There. They're gone.